Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on ULEFONE Note 18 Pro. Firstly, go into Google Photos. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Now tap on the three dots to the right corner and tap on Move to Locked Folder. Continue and tap on Move. Okay, now we can go into the search bar, search bar, and search up locked folder. Now we will need to set up a scrolling password, a screen lock on this device. So we just have to tap on go to settings, screen unlock, and I will choose pattern. Of course, if you already have a screen lock, you won't have to do that. Wait, let me go back because I want to have a pattern. Go to settings, screen lock, and a pattern right here. Okay, next and next. And now if I will be entering the lock folder, I will have to type in that phone number, that password each time. So lock folder, and here are my pictures. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.